Meanwhile, the Department of Public Works and Highways is continuously identifying more areas where additional COVID-19 modular hospitals may be built. Asher Kadapan Jr. details why live. Yes, Asher, good evening. Go ahead.
Good evening, Will. The Department of Public Works and Highways is preparing for all possible scenarios in the country's fight against COVID-19 pandemic. Hence, the agency continues to build modular hospitals, particularly in places where there is surge of COVID-19 cases. Today, another newly built facility was inspected by the DPWH before it is finally turned over to the Department of Health tomorrow.
Ito po yung Long Center Modular Hospital Facility na may 108 bed capacity at may isang building na pang ICU. Kaya at fully equipped para sa mga moderate to severe cases ng COVID.
The facility has 5 clusters of rooms with 1 cluster dedicated to patients who may require intensive care. Every room has its own oxygen supply and comfort room, while suction capability were installed in ICU rooms for intubation of patients. There is also a separate facility with 32 beds designated as dormitory for medical frontliners who will be deployed for its operation. About 120 million pesos were spent by the government for the Long Center Modular Facility. As of today, the DPWH has built several modular hospitals, which are mostly located in Metro Manila. These have increased the country's bed capacity for COVID-19 patients to about 500. Secretary Villar says the agency is eyeing to build more of these facilities in different areas across the country.
Of course, the major urban areas, nag-identify din kami meron kami na-identify sa Bataan na hospital facilities, pati sa mga regions, Region 10, Region 9, Region 6. Meron din kaming facilities, tuloy-tuloy naman na pag-identify namin.
Well, another modular facility with a 22-bed capacity located within Hospital ng Maynila is also scheduled to be turned over to the Health Department this week, while construction for a bigger facility in the National Center for Mental Health in Mandaluyong City has already begun and is targeted for completion within the next 2 months. Will?
Yes, thank you. Asher Kadapan Jr. reporting live from Quezon City.